Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve a problem in which four forces are given and this system is coplanar concurrent system. Okay, this is a coplanar concurrent force system and we have to solve this problem by using method of resolution of the forces. Okay, so before resolving, our step one is to calculate the theta here, and we have to calculate all the theta with the x-axis. Okay, then our horizontal component will be cos and vertical component will become sine. Okay, so here for the first 200 Newton force, they have given the slope as 2:1. So we will need this theta. That means this theta will be also same. So we can use the tan here. Tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Hence, tan theta is equal to 2/1. Sorry, 1/2 it is. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 1/2. So the theta will comes out to be 26.56 degrees. Similarly, we can calculate this. So this angle is nothing but this angle. So again apply the rule. Tan theta is equal to, now opposite upon adjacent will become 4/3. Opposite side to the adjacent side. So this theta will comes out to be 53.13. Okay, now we know this theta, we know this theta also. I will write theta 1, theta 2. This force has, we know the with x-axis. For this particular force, the angle is given with the y-axis. So you can calculate this angle, which will be equal to 50, because this total is 90. Now we have to resolve the forces. Okay, so let's resolve the force. I will draw the x and y axis first. So this will be our x axis, this will be our y axis. This is 200 Newton. Okay, this angle we have calculated 26.56. Okay, so you can resolve. How to resolve? This is x and y and this is in this particular quadrant and this direction is outward. So showcase like this. Okay, so here 200 force and the component, horizontal component will be cos 26.56. Here it will be 200 force sine 26.56. Okay, as we know angle with the x-axis, this will be our cos, this will be our sine. Similarly, this is 120 Newton. Okay, so you can just resolve these forces like that, because this in this particular quadrant. So this will be our 120 cos and angle is 53.13. Similarly 120 sine 53.13. Okay, now here 50 Newton force is given. Okay, so resolve as per this quadrant. So this will become 50 cos and angle given is 60. This will become 50 sine 60. Okay, now you have to resolve this particular force and this is 100 Newton and this is in this particular quadrant. So resolve like that and this is away. So we have to show this direction. Okay, so this will comes out to be 100 cos. So this angle we have calculated 50. Okay, and this will become 100 sine 50. Okay, now we have to calculate summation fx. Summation fx will be equal to, means what, all the horizontal forces we have to do summation. Means if it is acting in this direction we have to consider positive, if it is acting in this direction we have to consider the negative. So one by one we will take the forces. Okay, this is the first horizontal force which is in this direction, hence it will be positive. So I can write 200 cos 26.56. Okay, next force, horizontal force is in this direction, so minus, it will be 120 cos 53.13. Third force is this, which is again negative 50 cos 60. Last force is this, plus, because it is in this direction, 100 cos 50. So if you solve this, the answer will come 146.2 Newton. Similarly, we have to do it for summation Fy. Summation Fy means vertical forces. Okay, if it is in upward direction, consider positive. If it is downward direction, consider negative. So first force is this. This is in upward direction, so we will take it as a 200 sine 26.56. Now this is also upward direction, plus 120 sine 53.13. This is in downward direction, hence minus 50 sine 60. This is again minus 100 sine 50. Okay, so this will be equal to, if you calculate, this answer will come out to be 65.5 Newton. Now once you know the summation fx and summation fy, resultant is very easy. Under root of summation fx square plus summation fy square. Just put the value 146.2 bracket square plus 65.5 bracket square. So this answer will come out to be 160.2 Newton. Now our last step is to calculate theta, that is equal to tan inverse of summation fy divided by summation fx, and this is in the modulus, means what, we have to consider the positive sign only. So theta will be equal to tan inverse of summation fy is 65.5 and summation fx is 146.2. So if you solve this, our theta will come out to be 24.1 degree. So this is our final answer. So how can we represent our fx is positive? So this will be 146.2. Our fy is also positive. So I can showcase like that, 65.5. This theta is with the horizontal. So whatever resultant is there are here, this is angle 24.1. Okay, so this is the final representation. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will solve the doubts. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel.